Hey, what's going on, everybody? Right now I'm working on this little hydraulic pump. It's aluminum, but I'm surface grinding it, and it got welded up here because there was a crack, and I was tasked with fixing it. So I don't know how well this is going to work, but let's get this out of the way here. Oh, I should probably demagnetize this before I go sticking this on there. Fully out of the way here. Let's see. Okay, this is 0. Zero. Of course, it's 0. Like half a thou taper there. Okay, so this from half thou to 6. So I'm 5.5 thou. Oops. 0. I think the critical dimension here is this right here, so I'll set this at 0. You probably can't see this at all, but that's okay. You don't really need to. Our highest point's going to be over here. Of course, I don't really know how much to trust this mag chuck. I don't really trust it at all here. What the heck, now that's all jacked up. Of course I might have bumped that, I don't know. So the highest point we're going to be measuring, this is the highest point. I don't want to touch this at all. I'll set this in my 0. So this is the highest point, I think. No, this is the highest point. Okay, so that's 0. And you take off about exactly 5 thousandths. Come on, I keep hitting the freaking... Gonna run out of travel here. Alright, we're gonna take off right at 5 thousandths. I'll take 4, recheck it. And right now I'm right at 5 on the spindle, so once I get to 10, I'll be hopefully spot on. Some WD. Might want to turn the table back on. That could have been really bad. We're at 0. Still pretty close to 0. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's a little high, but it's. And still, we're just a touch over 0. So I'm probably in the range of a few tenths. It's lower on that side. All right, I'm going to take this over to the surface plate and check it there. I'm going to need to adjust this. Pretty close. Oh, don't do that. Stop. Stop. Nope. Oh, don't do that. Okay, good enough for me. So from this side, we're about about 1.5. One, 1.5. One, half, 0 right there. That's about half a thou high. So that's maybe toward maybe half thousandths. I don't know if that's going to be a deal breaker. I'm not sure. I just need to cut that O-ring groove and we'll be hopefully all set on this project. Alright guys, so I don't really know how well you can see this, but I have this cutter set up. I need to grind it still so it has clearances and whatnot. But this is going to be, I'm going to pretty much use it as a rotary shaper. I'm just going to sit here moving the quill and doing this. And it's lined up pretty good so that this radius here and this radius here are, I line it up so that this edge pretty much follows the contour. I sighted because there's a straight line. There's a straight point portion here, 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 and here that are tangential to the three main circles. There's a circle here, and then the big circle that does this part and this part. So this is one circle here to here. This is a circle, like there's a circle here and then there's a circle here, if that makes any sense. So this tool, I'll just be, like I said, there's a line going this way. I sighted the edge of this tool with that line so that the edge is on the line on all four positions. And I followed it and swept it along this circle. And it's pretty much following that circle all the way around. I'm happy with where it is. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be good enough. So I need to measure the width of this groove and then make that tool that width as well. So I'm going to go grind that up and then come back. I should probably like WD-40 or something. But we'll see how it goes first. I'm not going to use any cutting. Yeah, I'm going to go grab a little bit of WD. It's probably also going to be a pretty chattery cut just due to the cutter geometry here. There wasn't much energy put into well, thing is, once I take it out of this, it's kind of, done. Here's that tool I ground up. I ground it just a touch smaller than the what I wanted the thing to be, and I don't know if you can see that, but I just ground some clearance into it and let her eat. I don't know, man. that crack that I had him weld up doesn't look like he got it. So hopefully the crimp in the O-ring gets it a good enough seal on the periphery there. A little nervous about that, but it is what it is. I think we're good to go. All right, everyone. So this is where we ended up at as far as the repair goes. It's not perfect. Is autofocus on? What the heck? Hello? I don't know how to make this thing focus. I think I got it. I mean, you can tell where the repair was. It's pretty hard to feel. I mean, you can just feel it. You can't really feel it here. Here it's just so. So hopefully the O-ring seals. Hopefully. We'll see.